Hi, this is Noah at screenprintexchange.com. I bought this tool from Amazon just by searching, and I can't believe I found it. It seems like a strange tool. It is a PLATATO push-to-connect fitting disconnect tool used for 5/16" hoses to 1/4" hoses, but I think I can get it to work on 3/8 hoses. I have no affiliation with this product, and it's patent pending. I just think it's easy, if it works, to use it. So in my previous video, I showed you how to use push to connect fittings. You simply push in this red part of the plastic and pull out, and there you go. And to get it out, you push the red part in and slide it out. So I'm going to push it in again. Sometimes you don't need to push in the red part. So we're going to try this. So the orange handle controls this part right here, and the yellow part is what pushes, this lever pushes against this red part. See the red part? Okay, so this is on 1/4". Okay, so it's kind of counterintuitive. This lever needs to go here, and then first you grip on the orange, and then you push this lever, and it comes out like much easier than using your hand. I'm very surprised. So we'll try it on this this straight Y connector, 1/4". So we slide it in, grab the hose, and it comes right out. Well, I don't think I'll be using my hands anymore, because sometimes these are impossible to take off, and you got to use like a little screwdriver to wedge it out, and you ruin the fitting. But hopefully this solves the whole problem. So that was like nothing. So unfortunately, it does not work on the typical M&R 5/32 hoses that you see on your air clamps for your frame holders and your squeegee and flood bars. But I think I can easily modify it, and I'll show another video. I'll put like sleeves on this so it will hold. But as you see, it just slides right off. So let's try 3/8, which is another common size. It's 3/8 hose, and this is on a typical 6-color M&R press. This is a SMC valve and manifold. Manifold is this aluminum part, and here are the valves. So let's try on here. So it barely fits on this, which is the lever. Okay, so I'm going to use the orange handles first, and then I'm going to use the lever, and it should pop right out like nothing, and it doesn't kink it up or anything. It's perfect. So I think this is a winner for $20, and anybody could do it. Take apart their press properly. Do not cut your hoses, because nobody likes a hoser, especially in Canada. So please like this video and go to screenprintexchange.com. There will be a second video, and possibly more, showing how quickly I can take all these 1/4" hoses and 3/8 out next. Thank you. Bye.